Viola. Listen, I know last week I didn't tell you about the Melissa tea. Well, the lemon balm. That's another name for the lemon balm is Melissa. But I just want to make sure I tell you about peppermint tea so you know I'm drinking it. Look, I just love it. Got my breath smelling good. Easing my digestive. Look, if you guys want to go get the peppermint tea. The reason why I like the peppermint tea, look, you can add a little bit of honey. Look, you can take the peppermint tea just the way it is. You can add other things in there. You know, you could put another mint, just give you that extra kick. You could put lemon, you could put lime. Oh man, it tastes good. I just like it because it warms my body. Look, I'm gonna tell you all the things that it aids, but you know, I want to make sure it's my digestive. Look, it relaxes you. I love that it just relaxes you. It relaxes me, and I be feeling good. I know you see my telescope in the back. Yeah, I finally put it together. I know it took me a while. I finally put it together. Look, I don't put things together, but I finally got it putting together. See, so you know I'm enjoying. Today's the 16th, so you might see something. I'm in Maryland. We got snow, so not sure if the clouds is gonna let up so I can see something, but I know we're supposed to be talking about tea, so real quick, I'm going to tell you all the things that the peppermint tea does. So, but read my notes. Just so you know, the peppermint tea helps with arthritis. It helps with bee stings, bites. Isn't that crazy? I mean, I love it. So it helps with those things. It helps with bloating, burns, sunburns, fevers. Look, food sensitivities. You know, I did the video about the food sensitivities, how it aggravates you. Drink the peppermint tea and it helps. It helps aid your stomach. It helps with IBS. It helps with ulcers. It helps with leaky gut. You know, look, leaky gut. Remember the peppermint oil? Helps with leaky gut. So it helps with muscle soreness, especially when you know, post-workout after you done went in the gym and especially worked on your legs. Look, I hate working on my legs. I be all sore. Drink your peppermint tea. It helps. And it also helps with nausea. So look, if you ever feeling nauseous, get your peppermint tea because I love it. But I just wanted to show you and let you guys know reason why I'm drinking the peppermint tea, really for my digestive. Look, aches and pains, it soothes, it relaxes, it, you know, another thing to help you sleep. But look, make sure you guys drinking your peppermint tea. I just want to make sure I give you the great benefits because look, it helps. It helps. Anything that eases the pain, especially ones that suffering for arthritis, because I suffer. You know, you ever, you know, have all that aches and pains. This helps. This helps. So make sure you drink your peppermint tea. Look, we drink it from week to week. We drink it from Tuesday to Monday. So make sure you're drinking your peppermint tea. Today's Thursday, so make sure you're drinking your peppermint tea. Look, because I'm drinking mine. Bye, you guys.